You all have dreams. You all have vision in life of what you want to become a priceless, precious diamond. You all are talented. You all are sent down by God with some or the other talent. We just need to identify that. And then from an uncut, unpolished diamond to become a polished, priceless diamond, it is a process, it's a journey where the path won't be easy. Sometimes when you're trying to do certain things, there might be obstacles. Don't give up, don't find shortcuts. I think it is important to follow the right path always. And in tough times, tough men last. So I'm very, very confident that if you follow the right things in life, you will be able to achieve your dreams. We don't have control on certain things. Those things you obviously cannot waste your energy in trying to figure out how can I control this. You would much rather focus all your energy on the things that you can control, get the best results possible. But making an effort is in your hands. Giving 100% is in your hands. Sometimes you end up with good results, sometimes you don't. Trying giving 100% is in your hands. That is what matters to me. To achieve your dream, you got to chase it hard. There will be obstacles, there will be hurdles along the way, but keep pushing yourself hard. The number of occasions we push ourselves hard and then we turn back thinking that we've tried and it hasn't worked, whereas success is waiting for you round the corner. So don't give up is what I will say, and passion allows you to push yourself harder. Just find a reason to wake up in the morning and chase your dreams and push yourself harder. Whatever you are passionate about, when you are passionate about something, you don't look at your watch. You don't tell your parents, oh, I practiced for 2 hours, I practiced 120 balls I batted or whatever. You just practice till you get tired and till you are satisfied. Hard work obviously is important. People will notice all those things, but satisfaction will not be noticed by anyone. Only you will know within if you are satisfied with your effort or not. Okay? There will be tough patches in between. Don't cheat, don't find shortcuts. Okay? Because eventually you will be cheating yourself. So all I want to do is tell you to go out and chase your dream. It's important to dream, and then even more important to chase your dream.
To reach 200. That is the Superman from India. Sachin Tendulkar. 200 for Sachin. Take a bow, master.
something which is really, really important is, which I believed, you have to chase your dreams. Dreams do come true. I've chased one for last 21 years. One World Cup for India after 21 years. So dreams do come true. It may take a bit longer than some, but they do come true. Sometimes what happens that we push ourselves, but not enough, because we try and then we find excuses. We say that, oh, enough, I've tried, it's not happening, and you give up. And one extra step, success is waiting for you, which you sometimes don't end up taking. So always be prepared to push yourself.